here. Today I'm going to show you how I make my favorite oatmeal smoothie. So I use raw oats, I use unsweetened coconut milk, the kind in the refrigerator canister, cinnamon, banana, and my Vitamix blender. I've had this blender for years. It's model 7500. It has an excellent long time warranty, so it's just a great product. So let's get started. I start with a frozen banana to make this smoothie creamy and frothy, and then I use about a cup of oats. These are not the quick oats, they're just the regular cut oats. And then I add about 8 ounces of my coconut milk. This isn't the canned coconut milk, this is the fresh coconut milk that you get in your refrigerator carton section. And then you turn on the blender. It's really that simple. You want to blend up your frozen banana and your oats to be in small pieces. Now for additional flavor and the health benefits, I do like to add cinnamon. It is extremely delicious. Cinnamon is known to help reduce blood sugar. So if you're taking medicine to reduce your blood sugar, you definitely want to talk to your doctor to find out how much cinnamon is safe for you to take. And once you have that all blended up, you just mix it, you just pour it into your jar. This is a 24-ounce mason jar. I love these. These are the tall jars, so I can get this whole smoothie into one container. This is perfect if you love overnight oats. You can put on a plastic mason jar lid and put it in the refrigerator, and it will thicken up overnight as blended refrigerator oats. And there you have it, y'all. My favorite way to have oatmeal. Banana oatmeal cinnamon smoothie. It's very delicious and very healthy.